What can the power of being professional bring to the world? Bring more companions. 100,000 people work together, build the global network. Wider brand awareness. Multiple brands gather together, achieve Brand Z Top 10 Chinese Global Brand Builders. Higher brand volume. Focus on sports marketing. Light the passion worldwide. Closer to the future. Focus on technological innovation. Lead the global technological innovation. Hisense is committed to building the most reliable brand worldwide. Hisense HVAC, with the core technology of inverter central air conditioning, owns the leading VRF manufacturing base in the world. With the 6S international quality to drive the technological reform in commercial air conditioning industry. With the world-leading product R&D and design standards. With the super brain to upgrade the user experience. With the world-leading components and parts purchasing standards. Choosing components and parts, big or small, in a careful manner. With the world-leading manufacturing standards. With the professional competence and craftsmanship spirit. With the world-leading production process standards. With the precise digital management to track the full production cycle. With the world-leading quality evaluation standards. From tests under limiting conditions comes a product of high quality. With the world-leading service standards for engineering design and installation. By taking design and installation seriously, makes the maintenance service experience better. With the professional technology, from VRF, chiller to air to water, Hisense creates the specialized HVAC product system. From intelligent control system to comprehensive air solution, from quality-oriented to smart business-oriented. From residential space to large commercial space, Hisense HVAC will provide you comfortable and professional air solutions and wonderful experience. Hisense HVAC empowers the full sales process by providing professional solutions. Continue upgrading the professional service to accelerate marketing activities. In terms of brand operation, product promotion, advertising publicity, event planning, exhibition, local cooperation, etc. The accurate supply chain management improves the timeliness of transportation and the consistency of delivery. Then realize the value-added logistics services. Providing professional training with high quality and full process across time and space to enhance personal value in a continuous manner. Based on the global technological network and customized air solutions, the professional technical team can provide strong support, satisfy customers' after-sales service demand based on multiple fields of commissioning, maintenance, and spare parts support. Hisense HVAC has been widely used in various projects including government, schools, hospitals, residence buildings, etc. These projects not only demonstrate the trust from customer, but also represent our commitment to high-quality air conditioning. Hisense HVAC, devoted to becoming the leader of the HVAC industry, provides the professional comfort air solutions for global customers, leading the continuous improvement of the world air conditioning technology to facilitate the achievement of goals of both carbon peaking and carbon neutrality, then creating a better ecological environment for our Earth. Hisense HVAC, being professional to a reliable and bright future.